Good morning, Norcross Cluster.
Today is our Norcross Cluster Innovation Showcase that represents all levels of Norcross Cluster schools, elementary, middle, and high school. We even have Play to Learn friends.
Hello. Good morning.
We bring our community, we bring partners.
Are you ready to help me?
And it's a day to showcase our innovators.
Oh, the double doors.
I'm looking forward to interacting with others and seeing what everyone has to show today.
You're gonna see everything from robotics to musical performances.
Buenos dias, yo soy la señora Plummer. I am Ms. Plummer, Spanish teacher at Paul Duke STEM High School. Today I am showcasing some of my students' projects related to technology.
You put it on your window when you get home, okay?
Summer Hour Middle School is here with their environmental club and their engineering club. We also have the first LEGO League Festival.
We try solving like missions, and each one has different amount of points.
They're doing team building challenges. They're being reviewed. There's also a People's Choice Award.
Take some time to check out some of our amazing vendors inside the library.
This started 5 years ago with the city of Norcross and has grown every year since.
Something that's really amazing about the Norcross schools that we have, they're always inviting community partners that can help support student engagement and learning.
We have University of Georgia here, Emory University, Georgia Gwinnett College, and Georgia State here representing students that used to be GCPS students. So it's really awesome for our kids to see where they might go in the future.
I'm the daughter of the vendor. I attended Norcross High School. It gave me some wonderful experiences. The teachers are very helpful and very nice.
That's what I like about the school because they try to involve the kids to know our community.
It's important for us to learn to trust one another and also learn what everyone else has to offer.
That's what makes our teacher heart happy. We're developing real-world problem-solving students that are going to be future ready right here in our Norcross community.